Hi, everyone. I'm Moon Lake Lee, founder of Unlocking ADHD, and I'm really excited to share with you about an event that's coming up in Singapore. For the first time ever, we're having Dr. Sharon Celine from the US, clinical psychologist. We're bringing her over to Singapore for the first time to share with parents, with adults, with youth, with anyone that has a loved one with ADHD on how to manage on a day-to-day basis and live a better life. Sharon, thank you for coming to Singapore to join us.
I am so excited to meet you in person and everyone who's part of your community. We're going to have a really exciting training called Living Better with ADHD, how to improve executive functioning and social skills to build competence and confidence at home, school, and work. So this is a training that is for parents, and it's a training for adults with ADHD as well, because there will be practical tools to reduce daily stress, increase productivity, and build personal connections. I'm sure if you're a parent, you know what it's like to live in an ADHD family where there's arguments and people aren't cooperating. I'm going to help you learn how to reduce those arguments and increase cooperation with my 5 C's of ADHD approach. This approach will show you how and why executive functioning skills are critical to both school and work performance and to having that family connection that we all want with our spouses, our children, our parents. So we'll talk about the current research related to ADHD, but then I'm going to show you really practical tools for how to improve motivation, increase focus, and lower anxiety and criticism.
You know, Sharon, when I first heard about the topics you're going to cover, I was just so excited because really, we've never had anybody in Singapore cover all of these things in one go. So this is something that I think would be really is unbelievable. And I'm excited. And I really think that this event will transform Singapore
Hmm.
for the ADHD community. So thank you for coming over.
You're so welcome. This workshop is a time where I'll teach things, but people will also have opportunities to practice with exercises and to see what it's like how to use these skills. And so people will leave the workshop knowing how to improve resilience, cultivate family cooperation, and also learn how to be kinder to themselves as someone who may live with a brain that thinks outside the box.
I love that last part, kinder to ourselves. I think we need it to. And the key here is we want to focus not just on the knowledge, the theory, but actually on the practical. How do we make
Yes.
it useful in our lives, right? That is the key difference. And that's what I love about you, Sharon. So I'm so excited, and we're going to see you soon.
Yes, I look forward to it. And I look forward to meeting your community. Thank you, Moonlight.